Now we will do human activities. Human activities, first point is deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? Cutting down of trees in a large number. Man has cleaned large area of forest. Why? Because they require the more amount of wood for the living space. Okay, that's why. Next is overgrazing by cattle. When animals reared by the humans are left to graze on the same piece of land year after year, the land become bare. How? Actually, animals like cow is moving in the land, they are eating the grass, that is known as the overgrazing. Okay. Next is plowing of hillside. This loosens the soil, increase soil erosion in plains. After harvesting the crop, the soil lies bare for some time when helps to wind blow away the soil. When we are cutting the wheat, then after taking wheat in the April, what will happen? It will take 1 month or maybe 15 to 20 days to clean that field. That is known as the plowing of hillsides. Okay. Next topic is soil conservation. So what is soil conservation? Man is constantly damaging the soil. Thousand tons of soil is carried away by wind or water due to deforestation. How? When we will cutting down the trees, the soil will going to be damaged. The desert land is spreading speedily. Desert land, okay, which is spreading speedily. The careful protection of soil to check, we have to care the soil for the soil. That name is called as a soil erosion. Clear? So, but different methods are adopted to check the soil erosion. First is afforestation. What is afforestation? Trees should be planted in large number. We have to plant more trees so that trees slow down the wind and prevent it from the blowing away the soil. If we will plant more trees, then there will be rush of the trees. The soil will not move from one place to another. Soil will not blow from one place to another. Planting grasses on the hillsides also help to stop water from carrying away the soil. Next topic is bache. Next second point is growing suitable crops. The farmland remain bare. See, okay, when crops are harvested, when we are harvesting the crops, the farmland remain bare. Farmer can grow seasonal vegetables, pulses. I told you wheat we are growing in November and rice we are growing in a summer. As cover crops to protect the soil until the next crop is planted. Okay, next is terrace farming. See the picture given. They are the they all are the sides. This is first line, second line, third, fourth, fifth. The terrace farming means this method should be adapted in hilly areas. In this method of farming, slope is cut, means into stepwise. In first step, we will harvest one type of vegetables, pulses. In second step, we can harvest another type of. They are the mixed corporation, mixed type of pulses, vegetables we can grow. Okay. So these terrace farming will reduce the soil erosion. Most trees should be grown at slopes of the mountain. More trees should be grown. You have to grow more trees at the high mountains. Overgrazing by cattle should be prevented. Like cows are eating more grass in the hilly areas, so it should be prevented. Strong embankment along rivers banks reduce soil erosion. Proper use of fertilizers reduce the infertility of soil. We have to use the fertilizers so that the infertility means soil. The infertility of soil will be reduced. Clear? Up to this we have completed our chapter. That will be last chapter of our half yearly.